WhatWeb, what a channel. How to prevent hair loss in men and women. Structure of hair. Hair is made up of a protein called keratin and is comprised of multiple layers. The outermost layer, called cuticle, helps protect your hair from damage. As hair grows, new cells grow and push older cells outward, keeping your hair strong and resilient. During times of stress, hormones in our bodies can cause hair strands to become damaged or brittle at their roots. It's these weak spots that eventually lead to breakage as a result of combing or brushing. According to some studies, stress can contribute up to 60% of all cases of premature baldness in men and up to 70% in women. How to prevent hair loss. You're no doubt aware that thinning hair and hair loss are both very common conditions, and you may be suffering from them yourself. But it's actually not just about thinning hair or losing hair. It's about preventing the thinning and loss in the first place. A lot of people don't realize that by taking some simple precautions, they can easily prevent their own hair loss from happening. So here's a look at how to prevent hair loss from occurring in the first place. Step 1. Don't lose it. Losing hair can be stressful and scary. Identifying your trigger is often key to preventing hair loss and maintaining your natural locks. For example, alopecia areata is an autoimmune disease that attacks immune cells in your scalp, while trichotillomania or telogen effluvium could be issues that you have no control over. Many conditions cause only temporary hair loss, so it's important not to jump to conclusions when noticing changes in your ponytail size. Step 2. Eat fruits and vegetables that have high amounts of water content. Water is very essential for hair health because it carries nutrients, vitamins, and minerals from our body to our hair. Fruits and vegetables with high water content also keep our body hydrated. Therefore, try eating more of cucumbers, strawberries, bell peppers, etc. Also avoid canned fruits as they are not natural fruit juice with lots of sugar added in them. Drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, which will help you to prevent hair loss. Step 3. Cut out harsh shampoos. You've probably heard that using certain dyes and hair treatments can accelerate hair loss. But did you know it's also a side effect of shampoo? Products formulated with sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLS for short, can dry out your hair and scalp. In some cases, shampoos containing SLS have even been known to cause bald spots. Step 4. Stop treating hair loss as a cosmetic issue and start looking at it as a systemic health problem. As with any other health issue, proper diagnosis is essential for discovering treatment options that work for you. Start by seeing your primary care physician. He or she can refer you to a dermatologist who can provide specialized tests, identify underlying conditions, and assess what type of hair loss you're dealing with. It may be tempting to jump right into treatments like Rogaine or Propecia, but these medications are intended for long-term use. They slow down or stop further thinning of your hair follicles. Step 5. Accept that balding is normal, but strive for a natural-looking head of hair. The amount of thinning and facial hair growth you'll experience as you age is largely dependent on genetics. Use finasteride if it's available to prevent further hair loss, but consider using a topical treatment like Rogaine or other products recommended by your doctor. Remember that without medical intervention, most men will experience noticeable hair loss in their late 20 seconds or early 30 seconds. You don't need a perfectly full head of hair. Just do what you can to maintain what you have. Hair loss remedies. There are several ways you can help prevent hair loss. If you notice a change in your hair, don't hesitate to visit your doctor for treatment. A certified physician or dermatologist will be able to determine what type of hair loss you are experiencing and how it can be treated. Healthy habits like eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly can also help prevent hair loss. In addition, daily vitamins and supplements can strengthen your hair follicles for healthier locks. Getting regular haircuts is important as well. Split ends are common causes of hair breakage and thinning. There are also surgical options available if none of these methods work for you, but exercise caution when choosing from those. They often come with long-term side effects and high risks.